weekly template. Now, a basic dump and pump model is a market that gives us our opening range and initial balance, and we have a dump and pump type of template, whether that's day 1, day 2, inside day 3, and the parabolic reversal on a Friday. That's a basic dump and pump template. You'll notice we come down, we pump. Wednesday's the midpoint range of the week. We reset. That becomes our new, essentially, opening range as we head into the closing range of the week. We can have an inside day, day 1, day 2, inside day, and a reset, and then a day 1, day 2. Like Paul Tudor Jones says, if a market's giving you an indication of a possible directional movement for a range expansion, do not fight the tape. This is a dump and pump type of template. Now, the opposite of that is we actually could have a market that starts on a Monday and goes lower on a Tuesday and begins a pump and dump template for a parabolic move down on a Friday. There are different types of variations, but again, the same principles apply. Pump and dump. We can get a day 1, the escalator, day 2, day 3, and the parabolic reversal. Within this, we might have a dump and pump into a US session, 3-session setup for a vertical collapse back down to the low of the week. A pump and dump template. Now, the other side of that is we can get a market that breaks out on a Monday and pumps up on day 2. Day 3, we can get a break in structure that pumps back up for a dump on a Friday. Similar, just a different variation, a pump and dump template. The simple model is this, though. Day 1, day 2, day 3, we can have inside day, whatever, but it's pump and dump, or it's dump and pump. Same thing, just in the opposite direction. And within this dump and pump or pump and dump templates, some of these moves may not be the best trade candidates, whereas we get to Friday and we may find an instrument that is a best trade candidate for one trade out of this whole week, as these other movements might not have been tradable. There might have been major red news. It might have been choppy, back and forth, even though there's been 3 levels of drop, which we'll get into later in one of the following videos. But we may get a parabolic explosive 3-session setup, whether that's in London on Friday or on the day 3. It could happen on a Thursday. But this may be the best candidate that goes low of session, high of week on the dump and pump template on a free cash Friday. Most important thing to understand is that we can get a dump and a pump template or a pump and a